Are you having great real estate related conversations? You're showing people that you are different, that you have value, and that you have a process that actually works, but you can't just seem to close the deal, move forward, and land the appointment or get the contract signed. That's what this super short but very powerful video is all about today on the perfect close. But it implies that you did the perfect setup. So let's just jump right into how to close a deal 101. All right, so before we jump in, remember Isaac Guzman here with Real Estate CEOs. Me and the entire group here at Agent War Room as well are excited to always be bringing you the best, most relevant information on all things real estate, especially how to close more deals. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Maybe you have a better closing script. Awesome. Drop it in the comments below. And as always, if you ever want to get some one-on-one time with me or anybody inside the group, go to the description below. In the link in there will be a link where you can book one-on-one time with me. Anyways, let's jump right into it. This is a super short video today, but it will be powerful. Now, I'm going to make some assumptions. If you don't know what I mean by when I talk about these assumptions I'm making, then you need to go back and watch some of our other videos, specifically the 5-point pitch and how to craft that. But this is assuming you understand that A, real estate agents and lenders are commodities in today's environment. And so you have to differentiate yourself from the competition. B, you have to name your process. You have to help them understand that not only are you different, but the thing that you do is a named process, meaning it happens consistently and frequently. And it's so reliable and predictable that you can actually name it, right? And name the results. So for example, our first look program, which gets buyers in front of houses no one else is seeing, or at least gets them there first, right? That's a program that we have. So now assuming that you understand that, hey, everyone else does this and here's how I'm different. And B, here's the process that we use to get different results. So let's say you've pitched that. Here's the 2-step questions that you need to bridge the gap to closing. So you've now finished describing, hey, I'm different, and here's my process and why it gets better results than everybody else. Okay. So here's the next question you got to ask. So in this example, let's say Sally is the person I'm selling to. So Sally, can you see how that's different than the traditional home buying process or home selling process or whatever it is that you're talking to them about? Maybe you're recruiting. Can you see how that's different than the traditional home buying process that you've currently been using? They'll go, yeah. So first you have to get them to admit that this is different. If they don't see it as different or somehow enhanced, then you're going to have a hard time demonstrating like, yeah, let's go ahead and move forward to the close, right? You need to first get their buy-in that, yes, this is different. Then as soon as they do that, go, great. And now, Sally, could you see this process working for you in your home search? So I first get her to admit it is different. Okay, I need that first. Then I say, do you see how this could be better and how this can impact your home search? And then naturally they'll go, yes, because it's different. It gets me a better and different result. And I could see how that would get me better results for me specifically. So first it's generally is it different, then would it actually be different for me and get me different results? Boom. That's all you need. Then you simply set the appointment. So you can use one of the tried and true versions, which is great. So Sally, that's fantastic. I'm glad that you agree. I think it is absolutely something that can work better for you than your current home search process. So all we simply need to do now to get you to where you want to get you the home that you want with that 4th bedroom that you can use as an office and stop working in the living room with dogs and kids running around in the background during work hours. All we simply need to do now is sit down for 15 minutes and build that blueprint so me and my team can get working on that first look program for you. So there it is, super simple stuff. I've differentiated myself. I've named and described my program and its results. And then from there, I ask, Sally, could you see how this is different? Could you see this working for you? Awesome. All we need to do to get you where you want to go is simply sit down for 15 minutes and build your blueprint. That way, me and my team can go. Right? In other words, you get to hire me from that point. If you have any questions about this, please drop some comments in there. I can help you craft it specific to your situation. But I get a lot of people who get so close to the close and can't quite reach it. Now, if you have any other questions, make sure you drop them in the comment section below. And if you want to learn how to get one-on-one tutelage on exactly how you can use this type of close and craft your pitch for buyers, sellers, investors, recruits, go in the description, grab that link, book some one-on-one time with me. I'll see you on the other side. Until next time, keep crushing it in real estate.